T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff.
I have a brand new book for you, and it's called Planet Earth is Blue by Nicole Panteleakos. And this book is one that reminds me a lot of the book by Sharon Draper, Out of My Mind, because the character and narrator in this book, Nova, is a lot like Melody in Out of My Mind, where she is not understood. She is a student who has special needs. She cannot communicate very easily, and many of the adults around her entire life, and she's in middle school now, many of the adults and students and people just assume she doesn't know anything. And she's tired of it, just like Melody was in Out of My Mind. And so she has to understand other people and to deal with people not understanding her in her schooling and education. And one of the things that makes it even more difficult is that she and her older sister Bridget are foster children. Their mother cannot take care of them. Their father was tragically killed when they were very, very young. And so it's just the two of them as they get shuffled between different foster families and have to deal with that uncertainty of where are they going to live next? Are people going to love us? Are they going to take care of us? Are they going to understand us? Now, the thing about the setting in this book is it's 1986, way before you were born, but I was very, very young. And in 1986 was when our space shuttle program for NASA was just getting off the ground. Like my pun, see what I did there? They're excited for the launch. Nova is obsessed with outer space, and that's a big, big theme throughout the book, and obsessed with the Challenger launch that's coming up in this book. The first teacher to go into space, Krista McAuliffe. And so excited, it gets her really, really excited, and that's something that, just like Melody, causes her to kind of look like she's out of control and people to get upset with her and tell her to calm down, but she's so excited about outer space for that reason. And so throughout the entire book, it's literally a countdown towards that Challenger launch happening in the book. Now, those of you that know anything about outer space and the space shuttle and the Challenger unfortunately know that the Challenger space shuttle did end up exploding, liftoff, and killing all of our astronauts on board, very sadly. But Nova doesn't know that in this book. And so that becomes a big, big key part near the end of the book, where she realizes what happens and then realizes something else, realizes about what has happened to her older sister. So if you really liked the book Out of My Mind by Sharon Draper, this would be a really good book that I highly recommend for middle grade readers. Planet Earth is Blue. Check it out today.